Okay. Konting ilapit lang ng ring. Salamat. Okay. Okay, welcome muli po. This is for the third and final game for today. You're witnessing now the Maroon Boys, aka the Contact Center, will play against the General Aviation Services or the GAS. Yan. Contact Center dubbed in aka yung State University colors, the Marooners. And po yung General Aviation Service po is blue and white and red combination po tayo. Basketball mo. Also, congratulations para earlier po. Congratulations po for earlier. Yan po ang Team Mechanicos for winning the game in a come-from-behind fashion. And also now, starting whistle now been blown already. This is your final game for today between General Aviation Service or GAS versus the Contact Center. Ayan, yung kanilang coach po, nandiyan po yung coach nila. Yung coach. The coach present already. Ito naman, medyo kulang din yung GAS, General Aviation Services. Okay, putahan yun. Okay, first quarter action starting right now. Roy versus number 19. Up, re-jump. Okay, maroon ball na. Ball awarded para sa Maroon. Maroon ball awarded already. Barredo for the inbound to number 10, Bacchiano. Pops up si 24, no good. Rebound battle won by number 19. GAS. Tabile. Ay, thank you sir. Salamat sir. Tabile. Nawala ka ng bola. Balik mo sa Marooners ang bola. Contact center o ball. Contact center to Roy. Nope, ayaw. Pops up. Rebound battle won by GAS. GAS. Nagmamadali ng GAS ngayon. GAS. Tabile. Nice backhand. Behind the pass. Tabile. Number 2 for 3. No good. Rebound battle by number 18. Number 15 rather ng Contact Center. The Marooners again. 9 minutes remaining. Still no score both teams. 9 minutes. Number 10, Roy. Back to number 10. Pops up. Ayaw niya. Pilao. And one play made. Pilao shooting for the bonus free throws. Number 24, Pilao. Bonus free throw coming up. Pilao bonus free throw coming up. Pops up. No good. Roy. 2 points, Roy. Okay. 2 points, Roy. Pilao, 2 points. 4-0 lamang ng Contact Center. Tabile for 3. Pops up. No good. Rima battle won by number 2. Palpan ni Roy. Nice D by Roy. Hop! Same ball. Nice check by Roy. And na nagmamadali, Bagiano, malakas ang pasa. Malakas. Malakas ang pressure ni Roy. Baba ng konti daw. Calibrate lang, malakas ang ang tira. Nice check by 24. Number 19. Inbounding. Tabile. For 3. No good. 13 naman. 13. Power move. No good ding. Number 19. Wala pa rin. Tabile. 2 points. Tabile. Ay, sige pre. Ano kasi? Ano siya? Duty. Duty. Tsaka walang day off sa Friday.
Ilang laro na wala siya, no?
Oo. Duty. Pero tiyak ba sabi niya baka pumunta siya sa sa Daglagang portion yata.
Iba talaga ang pag-maintain. Iba lang.
Hindi. Kung kulang-kulang din. Wala si Masbang. Wala si Eric. Wala si ano. Hop! Foul! Take 2. Hop. Sado ano? Take 2. Kuya. Kuya for 2. Pops up. No good. Second throw, jumpers ready. Second free throw, jumpers ready para kay Kuya. Kuya, second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Pasok. 4-3. 6 minutes, 48 remaining. First quarter action. Nice shot by number 24. That's Pilaw. Aba? Pilaw nga, Pilaw. That's Pilaw. Good ball. Nice hustle play. 2 points. 2 points by number 12, 13. Gas. Walang pangalan likod eh. Belarus, Pilaw again, Belarus, Roy, pops number 3, no good, Roy naka-rebound, Roy driving in, binang ang bola. Same ball, 24, inbounding, Pilaw, Roy, power move, no good. 19 nakalusot. 19 again, wrap play, 2 points. Okay, lamang na po ang Gas over Contact Center. Pilaw for 3, no good, and wala na, di na kinuha yun. Time out. Rep. Okay, Tabile for the inbound. Thank you. Tabile for the inbound now to number 2. Okay, nice game pre. Bawi. Nako, Egok, nako yung bola, Egok driving in, sir. Ay, doon. Nice wrap from play, no good, and still, number 19, Tabile, winning the foot race, Tabile, 2 points. Okay, don't look now, the score 6-9, lamang na po ng 3 ang team Gas. Egok pops up, no good. Pilabos muna and 3 points, wala pa rin. Again, Tabile, 2 points. Gas on the roll and timeout. Timeout called by Team Contact Center. Okay, watching right now the teams of Jazz and Contact Center battling it out. And also for tomorrow po first game po is Cas and QR Towers. And of course, second game po is Los Hermanos versus Extreme Bowlers. Okay, balik muli pa tayo sa larong ito between Gas and Contact Center. Egok, may tangan ng bola. Egok, naku yung bola. Egok, naipit ang konti. Ansul, pinasa sa sentro nila. Shake and fake move. Traveling violation or lifting violation, sabi ng referee. Lifting violation tinawag. Yan si Pilaw, quarter minutes po ni Pilaw kanina. Quality minutes yan. 6-11 po ang score ngayon. Number 90 for 3, Kapos. Number 14, driving in. 14, what a play. Nakalusot, pasok. Number 19, foul. Egok. Foul on Egok. 3 minutes 34 remaining. 8-11 ang score po natin. Kumuha ng pick. Okay, now to Mr. Number 12. Oh, teka na po. Sabi ng referee, it's traveling violation called. Travel daw, travel. May travel bando kasi, kaya travel. Okay, balik muli po sa Marooners ang bola. Contact Center, mga Marooners. Marooners now to Rekilman for 3. No good. Rebound para 1 by number 2. Tabile driving against Egok. Tabile. Number 12 pops up. Malakas. Okay, nako ng push now. Tunakaw. Nako ng number 19 naman. Number 19. Dukot, wala. Check again. Okay, 13. Tunako. Ansul. No good. One more time. Foul. Tabile called for the foul. Tabile called for the foul. Dronce shooting for 2. 2 minutes 21 remaining. Pops up. No good. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Jumpers ready. Tunakaw, okay, pumunta sa kabila daw. Pops up. Kahit isa lang daw. Kapos. Tunakaw, naka-rebound. 2 minutes 19. Tunakaw, driving in. Tunakaw. Mali ang pinasahan. Tabile sa likod. Nice. Almost had the ball pero labas. Ramos inbound muna. Sa pula po sir, sa pula. Ramos for the inbound to Tabile. Ayaw niyo muna yung kay number 12. Number 15. Walang pinasahan. Out of bounds. Miscommunication between the two. Tunako for the inbound. And nga to Egok. Malakas ang pasa nito na Egok. Eto na siya. Ayan na, number 2. Banata mo. Ayan. Number 19. Turn around. Malakas. One more time. Dalawa sila. Number 2. Pabilan. Pops up. No good. Hop. Kick ball. Shot clock rewinded again. Reset it to 14 seconds. Number 7, 13. 13, Tabile, 23. Pops up. Kapos. Egok, nako yung bola. Egok, lost the ball almost, pero same ball. Okay, ito na ako for the inbound. Yan po ang contact center group. Tabil, Egok. Egok, 8-11, laman ng tatlo. Pops up, 3 points. Tabla. 22 seconds remaining. 11-11 score. Egok. Egok against Tabile. Nagkaroon po ng bantaya and Tabile thinking 3. No good. Dronce! Kapos! Okay, after 10 minutes, both teams scored at 11 all. Okay. Second quarter about to start later. Okay, says now white ball, number 2 for the inbound. That's Pabilani, Genovia, shake and fake, ginagawa niya. Di makano. Number 19, number 13, nalusot na nakawala. And okay, still completed. Oh! Tulak. 69 club for the push. Ramos. Genovia. Ramos thinking 3. Ayaw niya. Pabilani, 3 points. Pabilani, 3 points. Pilao for 3. Bang! Nothing but net. Tumatabla. Lumalaban si Pilao. Almost to subot. Pabilani naman. Pabilani 2. Number 19. Good ball. There's no foul. Pilao, naka-rebound si Pilao. Binababa niya mag-isa. What a play. Nagbalay sa ere si Pilao. Kita niyo yun? Pabilani. Binabantayan. Hounded. Lost the ball. Still completed. Nope. Foul. That's foul. Foul number 69, Mokrani. Substitution now. Tabile in. 13 out. Anim lang kasi. Dapat 5 minutes po. Barangay rules po tayo. Bawal po. Barangay rules. Ramos. Number 9. Wala ang bola. Okay, balik po sa Marooners ang bola. Marooners again. Marooners. Mokrani, sidestep na walang bola again. Mokrani, almost lost the letter. And one play, 3 points kagad, di Pilao. Pilao, 3 points. Number 19. I think the same thing also mangyari po sa Gas. Dahil kukunti lang sila. They have to survive for another 20 minutes sa larong ito. 27 minutes rather dahil sa game clock nila. Number 19 for 3. No good. Okay, balik muli po sa marunong bola. Marunong si Ken. Marunong's ball. Pilao. Mokrani for 3. Nope. Ayaw niya. Mokrani to Pilao. Pilao. And now. Pilao again. Pilao na yung mag-isa. Walang as. Baredo. 2 points. Banggaan moves. Shake and fake. No good. Roy, rebound. Mokrani. Pilao again. Pilao, fadeaway shot, malakas. Na yung mag-isa, number 5. Number 5 against Roy. Roy, palpal. Swatted away. Nice D by Roy. Swatted. Para may dalang baygon. Swatted. Pilao. Nope, good. Up, out of bounds. Pops up. 2 points again. Okay, 23-14. Unting tumalagwa na po ang mga Marooners. Pabilani to number 19. Number 15. Palpal na naman. Nice D by Roy. Two points. Foul. Kinunin mo na, binalakang mo. Number 19 shooting for 2. 4 minutes 47 remaining. Okay, Tabile pwede nang pumasok. 13 out, Tabile in. Kabila naman, second line na po, second line, pinatawagan po. Tunakaw Rekilman, number 14, number 9, and si Ansul. Kabila naman, same line na pa rin po. Pinalitan lang si number 15. Number 19, shooting for 2. Pops up. No good. Second shot. Jumper's ready. Pops up. Wala. Rebound by Wambay. Nakuha ni number 19. Number 2. Malalim. Pasok. Tunakaw. Number 7. Pops up. Bang bang. Salos. Pabilani to. Tabile. Nakuha. 4 minutes remaining. 4 minutes 17 remaining rather. Rekilman for 3. 3 points. Nice one. 2 points. Number 5, 2 points. That's Genovia. 3 minutes 42 remaining. Belarus. Number 12. No good. Good ball. Nice save by Ansul. Tunakaw, fadeaway shot. No good. One more time. Pops up. No good. Rebound by one by number 2. Number 2. Tabile. Tabile. Malakas. One more time. Tabile. 2 points. Tabile. Vintage moves ni Tabile. Parang ano, nakita. 3 minutes remaining of the second quarter action. Belarus rather. Tunakaw. 3! Second violation. Falsis. Falsis, number 19. No good. Check, last touch by Marooners. 2 minutes 27, lamang po ng 8 ang contact center. Number 19, fadeaway shot. Yes, sirree. Rekelman. Villaruiz. Ansul. Rekelman for 2. For 3 rather. Rebound. Number 19. Driving in. Against Ansul. Tabile. Tabile. Tabile driving. Ohoy! Lumabas. Lumabas. Sayang. Okay, balik muli po tayo sa Marooners ang bola. A minute and 25 remaining. Second quarter action. Tunakaw. Rekelman. Bang! 3 points again. A minute and 10 remaining. 31-22. Laman ng siyam. Tabile. A minute remaining. Nakuha ng pick. Tabile. For 3. Kapos. Dronce. Dronce again. Naghanap ng mapasan. Ayun! 2 points. 37 seconds remaining. Number 19. Pops up. No good. Nice. Rebound by Tunakaw. Villaruiz. Lost the ball almost. Ansul. Villaruiz. Palpal. 5 seconds remaining. And deng. Running time po tayo. Okay, halftime po tayo. The score is 33-22. Laman po ng labisa ang mga Marooners. Contact center. We'll be back. Aywa. Babaan mo. Binaba ako muna para maupo na ako. Okay, third quarter action start now. The score is 33-22. Nonong Rivera is watching. Julius Babaga is watching again. Okay, number 15, Baredo, inbounding. Baredo to Egok. Egok driving in. Roy, nice drop pass pero hindi po pumasok. Iba pinasahan. Roy, naka-rebound. Traveling violation. Sayang yun. Jumping or traveling yun. Okay, balik muli po tayo. Balik muli tayo. Tabile for the inbound. 9 minutes 42 remaining. Tabilani to Tabile again. Tabile. Number 19. Fade away shot. No good. Rebound the number 24. That's Pilao. Pilao to Egok. Roy, 2 points. No, malakas. One more time. Roy, 2 points. Sayang. Roy, masyadong malakas ang pressure. Kailangan bawasan ng konti. Roy for the 2 shots awarded kay Roy. Number 7. Pops up. No good. Second shot, jumpers ready para kay Roy. No good. We have about 1 by Pilao. 2 points, Pilao. Nice trailing job by Pilao. Tabile again. Tabile against Egok. Egok. Nakuha ng pick. Paul Bacliano. Five seconds, almost. Okay, it's in. Number 19. No good. Isa pa. No good still. Nice bailout play ni Pilao. Roy, Egok, touch pass. Roy again. Falses. Lost the ball. Oh, held ball situation. Same ball. After this, another head ball po will be for, of course, red ball. Susunod. Ito, magkaroon ng jump ball bila. No good. Kick, sayang. Balik muli po sa Marooners ang bola. Marooners ball. Roy. Egok. Pilao for 3. Bang! Animal net. 20-14. Number 13. Number 13. No good. Two points, number 10. Tabile. No good. 5 minutes, 16 remaining. Third quarter action. Nanunood. Pilao for 3 again. No good. Nice stop ni Roy Sana pero out of bounds. Sa puti muli po ang bola. Almost lost the ball. Kabilani to number 19, no good. One more time, number 19. Number 19. Number 2 for 3, no good. Roy naka-rebound. Pilao. Pilao, sidestep move, 2 points. Malakas ang pasa, hindi na inasalo. Okay, 4-minute mark already. Timeout called by Team General Aviation Services. Tunakaw. Pops up. No good. Rebound number 19. Lost the ball. 14. Driving. Dronce. Foul sa baba. Don't look now. It's a 20-point lead being posted now by Marooners Contact Center. Okay. 23, 21-point lead already. Oron second still. Okay, both basket made. 22-point lead already. Been posted. Foul. Okay. Lost the ball. No good. Foul. And Roy, sayang. Two shots awarded. Pops up. No good. No good para sa kabila. Pasok ang parok. Pasok po. Second shot. Ni Mokrani. Number 69. Pops up. No good. Early entry. Balik muli po sa puti ang bola.
Ano naman to?
Oh, boss. Good evening. Third quarter pa lang to eh. Third quarter pa lang. Wala na, last game na to. Oh, may 2 minutes pa ako. May 2 minutes pa ako. Nasa akin yung mga jersey. Ha? Sa inyo ito? Oh, punta ka rito. Nagsusugal ka. Kanino? O siya, pag nasa Mansura, tawagin mo lang ta. Sige. Dali mo yung sapatos. Dali mo yung sapatos. Ay. Sige. No good! Okay, balik mo sa gas ang bola. Gas. Number 7 for 3. No good. Number 19, duko sa ilalim. Pasok. 45-24. Lamang po ng 21 points. Pops up. No good. Rebound. White ball. Tabile. Tabile, 2 points. Nice drive by Tabile. Tunakaw. Tunakaw, binabantay ni Tabile. Hop, buntik na. Mokrani. Tunakaw, ayun. Nice cut by Dronce. 2 points. 13. Number 19. Wala pa rin. Mokrani, no good. Okay, that's it. Third quarter is ended. 47-26. Lamang po ng 21 points ang contact center. Coming up next is the fourth and final quarter. Paredo, bounding, 14 final quarter po tayo. Malakas! Pilau, 2 points Pilau. Nine minutes, 28 seconds remaining. Genova, no good. Number 13, Dukot, wala pa rin. Number 19, malakas ang pasa. Balik muli po sa pulang bola. Okay, Marooners ball, Marooners ball. Bang bang again, 3 points again. Kapal. Two points. Number 10, 2 points. Timeout called by Gas. The score right is 54-26. Lamang na lamang po ang Team Marooners or Contact Center. Looking to pick up a win, an easy win po over Gas at 8 minutes 28 remaining po ng fourth and final quarter. Pabilani for 3. Malakas. Ego. No good. Pilaw na naman. Nauna. Pilaw. 2 points again. Poetry in motion by Pilaw. Kuya for 3. Tapos. O, Pilaw muli. Pilaw. Pops up for 3. Nope. Malakas. Ayun! Nice tip in by Mr. Roy. Nice tip in by Roy. 6 minutes 29 remaining. Almost had blocked the shot. And timeout called by Team Contact Center. The Marooners called for the timeout. Okay, watching the final game for the day. And so be back for tomorrow's game between Cas and QR Towers. And also, of course, second game po is Los Hermanos versus yan po ang Extreme Bowlers. Baseball pass. Balik. Held ball situation.
White ball. White ball, white. Ready? Hey!
Foul! Number 19. 6 minutes 14 remaining. Pabili, wala. Check ball. Nice shot, malakas. Pabilani, 2 points Pabilani. The score is 58-30. Dronce, 2 points Dronce. 15 na 60-30, laman po ng 30 ang contact center. Good ball, good ball. Nice one, trying by Tunakaw. Malakas. Tabile. Nice foul. Foul committed. 2 shots for Mr. Number 13. Number 13, that's... Hindi mabasa. Number 13, shooting for 2. Pops up. Tapos. Second shot, jumper's ready. Second free throw, jumper shot, 4 minutes, 5 remaining. No good. Rebound battle, won by the Marooners. Base of pitch kay Tabile, pumano. Tabile for 3. Wag muna, number 2. Wala. Rebound battle, won by number 19. Foul committed. Foul still committed. Again, 2 shots for number 19. Egok, papasok muna para kay Tunakaw. 3 minutes 51 remaining. Fourth and final quarter. Pops up. Pasok. Second throw, number 19, shooting for the second free throw. Pops up. Pasok. Baredo. Two points, Baredo. Number 2, 2 points. Okay, time out again. The Marooners Contact Center. Ansul. Nakuha. Number 19. Malakas. One more time. Bokrani. Two points. Foul. Egok. No good. Tip in, no good still. Ansul. 2 points, easy 2 points by Marooners number 12. 2 minutes 27 remaining. Pops up, number 2, no good. Mokrani. 2 points, Mokrani. Tabile. Pabilani number 5, no good. Number 2, driving, no good still. Second shot, Pabilani made. A minute 53 remaining. 66-37, a 29-point lead by Contact Center. Traveling. Double jump. Pabilani 2 points. Pinato, muntik na. Mukrani, a minute remaining. Belarus for 3, no good. Ayun, Ansul 2 points. Okay, safety basket na lang po tayo, mga kababayan ko. Pops up, Pabile, no good. Okay, safety basket na lang po. That will be it, I think so. Two points, number 12. Pabile. Number 7 for 3. No good. No good still. Okay, that's it, I believe so. That's it. Congratulations. Already they conceded now. Final score 70-39. 21-point lead po tayo. Team Contact Center. Congratulations, pre. Okay, now, boss, ano? Group photo, please. Group photo. Group photo ba? Group photo. Group photo, ma'am. Ayun. Tawagin mga ano nyo, yung mga players nyo. Ansul, sir. Para mabilis na. Please, pakibalance po, pakibalance po. Okay, that's 70-39 po ang score po nila. The Marooners Team Contact Center for winning the ball game. Congratulations po yan. Okay, yan po. Coach.
Tayo muna, tapos sali na.
Okay. Okay, now with the coach. Okay, this po 70-39. Okay. Okay, who's ano? Sino po? Okay, si Pilaw nga talaga ang napili. Lakas talaga, nakakailan sa TV. Dito, iba ano. Pilaw sa likod ng ano. I-background natin yung team mo.
Hindi pwede, gagi.
Okay, Pilaw dito ka. Okay, back mo. Okay, Pilaw. Parang lumalabas po, parang well-oiled machine po ang contact center po ngayon. Parang lahat po ng tira nyo, pasa nyo, pumapasok talaga. Ano masasabi po natin doon, sir?
Ano lang po, coordination. Tapos,
Sige.
kailangan lang ng teamwork po palagi para manalo.
Ano masasabi po? Nagdala kayo ng coach ngayon. Si naka-grade po. Si coach yun.
Lagi naman po may coach dyan.
Pero ang kulis nakita talaga. In fairness po.
Pero lagi siya nandyan, lagi rin po siyang galit.
Lagi siyang galit. Si Coach Parado galit. Hindi, ano talaga, ganyan talaga, minsan ng coach talaga, meron mga coach talaga, minsan para sigaw talaga, pero alam nila para manalo talaga kayo. Okay, si Pilaw. Basta sa ano masasabi sa laro po ngayon sir talaga? In fairness po talaga, lahat ng tira mo, pasok, ringless po lang, sinusubo nila yung ring sa bola, yung ano, sige po.
Tama ka na lang. Pahinga.
Okay.
Coordination. Tapos, ano lang. Laro lang ng laro.
Oh, sige, okay po. Sige, ito, last question po, bago tayo magkabatian ha. Ilan na lang po ang nanalabing laro nyo, sir? Sa tingin nyo?
4 po ata.
Okay, ano pumasa po sa 4 na yon na malalaro nyo pa bago magkaroon ng naglagang portion? Sige po.
Subukan pa namin galingan lalo.
Okay, sige po.
Mapanalo namin yung 4 sa
Okay, sige po. Now, 1 minute, sir. Shoutout po, sir. Sige. Shoutout po. Shoutout. Sige po.
Shoutout sa girlfriend.
Sino kayo? Turo mo. Dami na eh.
Ito wala kang gray.
Yung naka-gray. Okay. Oh, sige. Okay. Kaya pala ganado pala si Pilaw. Sige, okay. Natinyo ko na. Okay. Yun lang. 1 minute to, sir. 1 minute. Huwag mo magtipirin. 1 minute lang. 1 minute to. Okay, minute po. That's Pilaw po sa kanilang best for the game. And also, kung pa Team Contact Center for win the game, 70-39. Again pa, be back again po next week po. Tomorrow, basketball action. Same time, same place, same channel po. Maraming salamat po and God bless.